Here's how to deactivate or permanently delete your Roblox account and the important difference between the two. Deactivation is temporary. Your account goes offline but can be reactivated later by logging back in. Deletion is permanent and cannot be undone, taking all your Robux, progress, and items with it forever. Make sure you know which one you actually want before proceeding. To deactivate, open More, then Settings on the app, or click the gear icon on the website. Go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, then Account Deactivation and Deletion. Click Deactivate and confirm. To permanently delete, go to the Roblox website, click the gear icon and select Help and Safety. Go to Help Center, then scroll to the bottom and click Contact Us. Enter your username and account email, select your device type, set the help category to I want to delete my account, and explain clearly in the description that you want permanent deletion and that you understand everything, including Robux, will be lost permanently. Click Continue. Roblox support will email you within a few days to confirm and may ask you to verify account ownership before proceeding. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.